Welcome to the Einstein Pendulum. I actually don't have a table, I've actually only got a seat. I put an old shelf on top of it. And this is it, pendulum, but a standard pendulum. And this is the coil, which I've got 12 amps going through, and trying to go in on the actual bearings. It used to be knife bearing, I've changed it and going up here, and it's reflected up there. I've just converted some probes for it, but I'm going to have to look around and convert them to sapphire. This is the actual point with no lock. It takes a long time to actually ring completely down, and now I've kept it up to power, and each time it's swinging, it's getting a little bit of a push and going to a greater extension, and this is building up. You can see a little line there in the laser beam as the camera stops imaging for a moment, and line there in the laser beam as the camera stops imaging for a moment and transfers the data in. So you get these little breaks in the laser line as it's coming through. And so this is building up. It's got an extension greater than an A4 page. We can really work on that to manage that. Now I unplug it now. You can see it, the vibration of me unplugging it vibrates the beam a little bit, and you can see it there, and it's now down. So it gives you an idea of the Q of it. And Q varies. There's sort of like two Qs. There's a very high Q for very low oscillations, and high oscillations there's a different Q. Just watching it ring down, maybe so much the camera is getting a problem focusing on it. There's not enough image for it to focus on. It's continuing just to ring down, and we'll just watch it as it continues. Now I'm noticed Q as I measure it over time. So hard iron on ceramics. I'm going to have to go and purchase some jewel, sapphire or ruby bearings, and it's a bit much. They only cost a cent each, or 8 cents each, but you have to order 1,000 of them. So I don't know what I'm going to do, how I'm going to get it. There's no longer the old watch I have. Thanks a lot for listening. I'll post this and see how you find it.